Hi everybody, we're working on pajama pants. These are the finished product. Here's the pair we're working on. It's getting close, they're starting to look like pants. We're at the point where we're going to do some fitting. The last step we did, which I did not do a video for because it's pretty simple and a lot of people did it in class, was to press open all of these seams and then to do a basting stitch with your machine just for about 3 inches down each side. That keeps this open when we go to put the elastic through so the elastic doesn't get hung up on that. So now we're going to figure out where the waistband should be. And for that, I have an assistant. Ariadne, are you ready? Here you go. So she's going to put her pants on inside out. A bunch of you did this in class. And then we're going to fold down the waistband and pin it where we want it. Because different people are different sizes and different people have different waists. Some are higher, some are lower, some like to wear their pants higher or lower. And one of the beauties of sewing is you get to adjust. You ready? Okay, come on over. Okay, so here she is. And as you can see, we've got the waistband. Can you step back a little bit? The waistband is folded over. Her pants are inside out. She's got the front in the front and the back in the back. So if you just look at the markings you made on the panels, that should show you. Or you can also just do the fit test to try it on. If it feels funny, try it on the other way. If that feels better, then do it that way. All right, so now we're going to pin. Is that where you want it? Or do you want it a little lower or a little higher? Where do you want the top of your pants? Right there? So this is what you want to think about. Where do you want the top of your pants? I'm going to put a pin across where the fold is, this way, and I'm going to put one up and down too. Okay, and then we're going to go to the back. Turn, 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 turn. Okay, where do you want your pants in the back?
The same as my different.
Does this feel good here? Okay, so I'll do the same thing. I'll put the pin across the top. And down. Okay, and then I'm going to have her carefully get out of them, and I'll show you the next step in the next video.